wala naman talagang script ng eksena, pero nagawa namin ng paraan. So, meron na kaming gano'n na gusto namin talagang magkwento, at gusto namin i-share yung kwento, at gusto namin makaramdam yung taong nanonood. That's I think, a common ground.
I think also, I personally felt, lucky charm ko to eh. Parang, since I met JC, all my films were nagsunod-sunod, kahit hindi siya yung katrabaho ko, nabigyan niya ng swerte yung buhay ko.
Grabe naman!
Yeah.
Pengi naman na.
Uy, kaya, wala pa akong bonus. Hindi, pero seriously, isang down pala really was my first hit film. And I can't even say this was my first hit film, it's our first hit film. So, wherever I went after that, kung sino man makatrabaho ko, he gave me the confidence na your movies work out. So, for that, yun, I'm always grateful to JC and I always look forward to working with her.
Kahit sinong makita namin, lagi kami hinahanap eh. Kailan yung susunod na movie namin, so I guess lagi kami hinahanap.
Nagabi, sa gas station, tanong saan ba't mo sinaktan si Fidel? Kuya, 8 years na yun.
Move on.
Yung nagagas yun napaisip na baka kulang yung nilagay niyang gas kasi galit pala siya kay Stella.
Ikaw, Jace, matuturing mo rin bang Lucky Charms?
Oh, it's actually the same thing. That was also my first hit film in the mainstream. Yun din po yung nagbigay sa akin sa mga susunod na projects. So, swerte din namin talaga yung isa't isa. So, lagi naman, may pelikula kami, lagi may nanonood at meron talagang following yung tandem. So, I guess, she's also my Lucky Charm.
And for my last question, kasi na-mention nyo na may mga disagree kayo dun sa mga traits ng respective characters ninyo. Without spoiling anything, kung meron kayong message for them, siguro pati na rin kay ano yung masasabi niyo sa mga characters niyo? Mensahe niyo.
Sabihin ko kay Fidel, gear up, there's more.
Yeah. Yan na lang yung nasabi ko. Kay Stella, masasabi ko, proud ako sa'yo, nagbago ka na.
Para reply, salamat nagpakatotoo ka.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was Nurse Alma of GMA Entertainment Digital. Up next, we have Alan Sancon of Stars Photo.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, congratulations.
Thank you.
The long wait is over after 8 years, di ba? Alam naman namin masusundan ko kasi open-ended yung yung isang daang tula para kay Stella. Pero this time, kay Bella, kasi parang this is love triangle between
Yes.
Kyle and si JC. How do you describe yung romantic scenes or eksena mo dun sa dalawa? Una kay JC, second kay Kyle. Not spoiling anything,
Yeah. Yung scenes ni Stella kay Fidel, exciting. Kasi ngayon lang sila nakita ulit eh. So, si Stella medyo very siya teasing kay Fidel, di ba? Mahilig niyang guluhin yung buhay at yung utak ni Fidel. So, ganun ko siya ginawa ulit nung umpisa. So, obviously my difference is that my maturity, but ako na-excite ako sa yung the day after na nakita kami for the first time. Ang sarap parang ang sarap takutin ni Fidel. So it's a fun kind of love, I feel, but also very deep. So yung balik naman ni Fidel sa kanya yung aabangan niya dito. So yun. Sa character ni Clyde, genuinely speaking, I didn't know how to do my scenes with Kyle kasi we have an age difference. I didn't know how I could relate to someone his age for Stella. So I think I just allowed the scenes to flow. Parang hinayaan ko muna na mag-play out yung eksena. Tapos doon ko iniisip yung anong gagawin ni Stella sa situation na to. So our scenes are very organic. That's how I would describe it. Kasi I would literally wait for the yung love story na nila, I think, is that it's more go with the flow. So, yun po.
I think meron din yung audience dito na, uy, okay naman sila. Ay, hindi, okay sila. Ay, hindi, okay sila. Mahihirapan yung audience.
So yun yung aabangan, di ba? Ano lang, wala si Direct Paul to answer the question, hindi Bella will answer it also. Follow up lang, no? Talaga bang ginawa yung third party or third character yung kay Clyde mas bata compared dun sa kay AG niyo? Bakit siya yung napili? Parang
No, actually, walang age. She played sa script. It could have been an older actor, but si Kyle was handpicked by our producers. Management decision. So, and I'm very happy na they ended up with Kyle. Kasi nga, like your question earlier, CJ, we have a Gen Z audience now that we need to also relate to. So he's bringing that to the film. He also makes the film more light and more youthful. So hindi ko rin alam kung katulad nung sagot ko kanina sa question before this. I don't know if it was timing or napagbigyan ka na ng tadhana this time, but casting Kyle was a really good call sa management namin. Even if yun, may question siguro ko in my head nung mga eksena namin na shocks, paano ko gagawin to? Pero si Kyle kasi as a person, not as Clyde, is also very mature. He knows how to communicate with different kinds of people. So, yun po.
maybe because he's sick, di ba? Kasi may time na kumakanta siya doon, di ba?
Yes.
Yung last question ko, actually, this is a phone-in question. Tanong ko lang rin, sabi niyo nga, yung isang daang tula, kayo naman yung gumawang character. Pero sabi mo dapat papalitan na yung character mo, di ba, Bella? Pero what do you think, bakit binigay pa rin ng Viva sa inyo itong isang daang tula? Pwede nang ibigay sa ibang tao. Especially kay Clyde din, bakit kaya ikaw yung napili ng Viva to be part itong 100, isang daang tula para kay Estela?
Hindi. Tulad ko na sinabi ko po kanina, napatanong po talaga ako, bakit nga? Bakit talaga ako? But when it comes to acting, I think one thing the beauty of our job is you get to be put in shoes you never thought you'd ever be able to fill. I don't know, I'm older than in this as Clyde. He's older than I am as a person as Clyde. Pero hindi naman kailangan pag-usapan yun sa script. I think when it came to choosing me to play